Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering on your Xbox 360 and making sure the router is reachable. Connect one end of a CAT5E or CAT6 Ethernet cable to the console's Ethernet port and the other end to an open LAN port on the router or switch. Once done, navigate to System Settings on the console because you need to verify network settings. If your network uses DHCP, this will be automatic, but pause here to prepare a static IP if your network requires fixed addresses before moving forward. Now you'll configure the connection inside the Xbox. Go to Settings, System, Network Settings, then select Wired Network and Configure Network. Choose Automatic for IP and DNS if your router uses DHCP. This simplifies everything and assigns addresses for you. If you chose Manual, enter the static IP, subnet mask, gateway, and primary/secondary DNS exactly as your router requires so the console can route traffic correctly. After entering values, save settings and move on to testing connectivity. Finish by running the test Xbox Live connection in Network Settings. This checks IP, DNS, and Xbox Live access. If it passes, you're online and can sign into your profile and update the console. If it fails, power cycle modem/router, try another LAN port, and replace the Ethernet cable to rule out hardware. Make sure the static IP doesn't conflict with other devices. Change DHCP range, or assign a reservation on the router if needed to prevent addressing conflicts, and restore a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.